Working from home to earn extra money while having a full-time job can be a great way to boost your income. Here are some work-at-home jobs that you can consider. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assistants, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can connect you with potential clients. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. There are platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors that connect tutors with students. Remote customer service representative. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle customer inquiries and support. Check job boards and company websites for such opportunities. Data entry. Data entry tasks can be done from home and are available through various online platforms. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies to earn extra money during your free time. E-commerce. Start an online store and sell products through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Transcription. Transcribe audio files into written documents. There are companies like Rev that offer transcription opportunities. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, consider pet sitting or dog walking as a side gig. Ride sharing or food delivery. If you have a car, you can sign up for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft or deliver food with platforms like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Online reselling. Buy and sell items on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Poshmark. Remote medical coding or billing. If you have experience in the medical field, you can explore remote medical coding or billing positions. Remember to manage your time wisely and ensure that your side job doesn't interfere with your primary employment. Also, be aware of any potential conflicts of interest or non-compete agreements with your full-time job. Always research and verify the legitimacy of any work-at-home opportunity to avoid scams and protect your personal information.